Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. Today I want to take a look at this Irwin Vise Grip multi-tool that I picked up at Menards the other day. It was actually in my video. Buddy, it's okay. It's okay, bud. You're not in trouble. You're okay. I know. Every time I make a video, he leaves. He's like, I don't want to hear this. I hear enough of you talking, damn it. So, this was in my Menards video a couple days ago. Regular price was something about, well, sale price was $14.99, and there was a $10 mail-in rebate, so I got it for $4.99. I know a lot of you guys don't have access to a Menards because it's only in the Midwest, so I'll try and find it on like Home Depot, or Amazon has to have it anyways. I'll put links down below if anyone wants to check it out. But a 5-inch multi-tool vice grips, and I would imagine all of us at one point or another have had a multi-tool that was like a set of pliers with, you know, a bunch of stuff that folded out of the handle. But I've never seen them before as a vice grip or locking plier, so I thought that was pretty neat. And I figured we could take a look at it and see what we got here. Alright, let's see. It's actually kind of neat. Alright, so it's the V-Jaw, which lately I've been a big fan of the V-Jaws. I don't know why, I like it. It's got like a little Allen in the handle there. Oh, there we go. Got it to focus. Yeah, let's see. So for the multi-tool part, looks like there's a little tab here. Push that out, and we have a Phillips bit inserted in there, and it's a slotted regular whatever on the other side. So that's kind of cool, but yeah, that's alright. I don't mind that. That's a cool design. I mean, it's not like it's going to be your go-to screwdriver. It's just a little handy if you're using your vice grips and, oh shit, I need a screwdriver, and you already got one there. And then a little tabby here, cut out in the middle. I'm assuming that gives us our knife. So then we got a knife like that. That'd be a pretty badass weapon, really. I mean, you could grab someone by the ear or just stab them in the face or something. I don't know. Kind of cool. Be careful it doesn't lock into position. Okay. Call me a liar, now it locked into position. Alright, there's a little unlock. Okay, so there's a little, go back in. Come on, focus. Focus. Can you see that? A little lock. Maybe. There we go. God damn. So kind of cool, but I'm not sure I'm a big fan of that lock. Well, I was going to say, if it didn't lock, man, make sure that thing's locked into place before you start using it, otherwise you'll cut your fingers off. Well, probably not that bad, but you'll hurt yourself. So there you go. There's a little lock there. So you get a knife, 2 screwdrivers, and some vice grips. I need to learn how to keep this damn camera in focus better. It says the original vice grip. I'm sure all Irwin tools are probably made in China now. Back in the day, they were made in the U.S. I think it was the early 2000s they started making them. Yeah, it says made in China there. In China instead of the U.S. Anyways, guys, I think they're kind of cool. I mean, as far as the vice grips go, it's an Irwin vice grip. If you ever use theirs, you know what that's like. And it's kind of neat. They just bolted this little attachment on the side here. The screwdriver thing, the knife thing. Alright guys, so that's the little Irwin multi-tool. Let me know what you think of this multi-tool or any other multi-tool that might be out there. Something that I might be interested in, that other viewers might be interested in. Don't be shy. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Check out my website, strongville.net. Have all sorts of tool coupons and deals and all that fun stuff. So, thanks for watching, guys.